Alright guys, we're back at it again. This is day 2 of Oshkosh. Heads up, that is a secret entrance if you are going to Oshkosh in the future. It's on the side of the air fence. You go through there and you're able to access the bus without having to drive all the way there to the entry point. As you can see, it's a really far walk. I recommend taking the bus, but you can see all the campers outside underneath their planes. Part of the Coffee Wars cruise. You can't forget the Dunkin'. Not sponsored, but it's a long walk. Need some energy for the walk, you know. This guy is crazy. He's a daredevil. The stuff he's doing, the tricks he's going through. I haven't seen anything like it. The crazy part is when he turns off the engine, he just free falls for a second. I can't do that. I thought he was running sarcasm for a second, but I can tell my dyslexic ass.
Well, he wants it.
Then I checked out the Air Force tent and was welcomed to the nice symphony. Inside the Air Force tent, they got a nice simulators for an F-22. I got to try it. It's pretty awesome. You know, the whole point of Oshkosh is flying, so I thought since I was here, I might try to learn to fly. So I signed up for a simulator to start my journey as a pilot. They had a whole plan locked out. I just have to come back tomorrow to do the simulator with a trainee.
My plan is that I will be pilot and I'll help everyone. Pilot.
Yeah, he's a pilot. Great.
Since the thing's tomorrow, I got time to kill, so I just walked around, found more of the military planes. These were current in commission. They actually flew this one. It's huge. It's a huge bomber. Bro's got the Yeezys. We're Yeezy twins right now.
On the ball.
Canada's here to represent, fools. think he's got some competition there. I'm just gonna say that. You thought America had air superiority? No, no, no. Canada, we are the maple leaves in the wind. Your Eagles can't touch us. No, I'm just kidding. I'm American too. But did that wing just say Area 51? The rest of the day, I just wandered around and just watched the sky. So much was happening.
Formed by his lifetime as a pilot.
These stunt planes are crazy. I gamble with your life, but I can't. I get anxiety just and PTSD from just watching this.
Phillips having fun performing aerobatic maneuvers that you will find with International Aerobatic Club in competition flying. This full carbon fiber composite structure has been tested above and beyond FAA standards and offers the lightest, strongest, sleekest airframe.
That's a big boy. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's the Flying Fortress. My eardrums might be gone by day 3, but I can't stop watching this beauty fly. that was day 2 of Oshkosh for me. Got to see a lot more jets. Got to sign up for my simulator to get my permit for license. Yeah, my permit. And I'm really excited. I can't wait. Just watch the planes fly by. It's the life. Got some grub right after by a place nearby. Highly recommend it. Uh, got great hamburgers and burgers and milkshakes as well. And the girls serve you on real roller skates. It's a real throwback kind of thing, 80s kind of vibe. But yeah, no, this is it for today. I'm excited for tomorrow. Can't wait to get my. I'm rubbing my hands together to get my license. I felt bad for cutting them, so I'm just gonna leave this here. Just rest of their performance.